And, we're in this wonderful building. We just look around us here, and everything here is sustainable. Built, a couple of 100 years ago, probably? And you look at all that wood up there, that's storing carbon for hundreds of years out of the atmosphere. And that wood can last for the next 1,000 years. And we can build sustainably. We did it in the past, and we can do it now. And the opportunities are immense. 40% of all our CO2, our energy-related greenhouse gas emissions, are from buildings.
We've done one certified passive house. We use that technology, and now we're taking that on, if you like, to the next level, which is the Crest Centre in Enniskillen. What makes this building quite unique in terms of UK buildings is that it has three combined sustainable criteria. It is Passive House certified, it's BREEAM excellent, and it's also carbon neutral. It has PV panels, and it has to produce 12 kilowatts to make it carbon neutral. It actually produces a lot more than that.
This event here is not about renewable energy, it's about building fabric. Renewable energy is just as important, and the Smart Eco Hub does very good work on that, but it's very, very important to recognise that the first thing we have to do is save energy, not just in terms of making buildings energy efficient, but to also reduce their embodied energy, so that we're not using up a lot of fossil fuel to create materials and buildings that are supposed to save energy.
So natural materials aren't isolated to small niche projects, they're going mainstream and being used more and more, not only in the domestic sense but also in the larger commercial sense. And it's not just from the ecological point of view in many cases. There are building physics or technical reasons that natural materials are used.
Cold bridging quickly, and the perception is most insulation companies will add your coat and your trousers. We put on your hat, your gloves and your socks. So you imagine your children playing out in the snow with no shoes, no gloves or no hat on. You go, that's crazy. But typically that's what we're doing to our properties. We're addressing the 80% of our properties are being dealt with insulation, and we're ignoring the 20%.
I also believe that companies collaborating and working together enables them to tap into the market opportunities they maybe wouldn't be able to do by themselves. And this collaboration and sharing of knowledge is at the heart of the ethos of the Smart Eco Hub network.
What we do is we go into companies and we go in, we talk to a company, we get an understanding of what they do, and based on that then we try and match them up with other people that we think will have complementary expertise in products. So I suppose the example I usually use is that we're like matchmakers, or like business to business matchmakers.
This is a really important event. We need much more of these events. We need, first of all, for those that are informed, and the professionals, architects, engineers, building suppliers, facilities managers, all the people involved in the building industry. There needs to be much more exchange of knowledge and information. And what we got here today was a tremendous range of experts in all the diverse areas of sustainable construction, materials, different methods of technology, breathability, air tightness, permeability, vapor diffusion, all the important things, and cold bridging, everything, So we need this because we need this to go mainstream.